Sun's up, it's a little after 12. Make breakfast for myself, leave the work for someone else. People say, they say that it's just a phase. They tell me to act
My name's Caitlin, and I'm Kaylee's best friend. We do stuff together. We like to go swinging and at the park. Get your mind out of the gutter. And we eat cookies together and Cherry Garcia ice cream. And we have 3.5 children. That's it.
I believe in a thing called love.
Just listen to the heart.
All right, so
Here we are.
we're here in front of Goodwill. Oh, there.
He needs a Chucks.
Yes.
Oh, they redid it.
Sometimes you wear stretchy pants. These shoes are a little small.
Okay, so we got 3.
Okay.
Yeah.
Caitlin got stuck in a wedding dress.
I'm like standing there in the middle of the aisle, like.
In the music, the moment you own it, you better never. Gotta get that. Gotta get that. Gotta get that.
Smell it.
Gotta get that. Gotta get that.
So where do we go now? We're moneyless.
Gotta get that.
Moneyless.
Want to go put stuff in carts at Safeway and then ditch it?
Not
If you
really.
promise not to leave me in the cart, 'cause
We go on a scavenger hunt.
Let's go to the chopper.
To the chopper. Birthday card that has an old lady with very saggy boobs.
Birthday. Got it.
No, those aren't saggy.
Come on.
Those are not saggy.
Here you go.
how come I can
No,
find
those aren't
these?
saggy.
Every time I'm not looking for one, right? But first time I'm looking for one, I can't find it. What about this one?
Or Gigi.
Okay.
All right. Blockbuster is our next destination. Get out! Yeah, I'm getting your good side.
Nasty dirty car. That's kind of creepy, actually. My car is so dirty.
Shut up! I wanna see what they have here!
There goes $1.67 I'll never get back. Threw it away. Why? There's a reason I don't drink Slurpees.
You didn't go pee-pee.
I have to go pee-pee. Let me have to go pee-pee now. I will wait for a while.